Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome to my apartment. Also, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So, I'm sure you saw the title and thumbnail of the video, so you know what this video is about. So anyway, without much further ado and whatever, let's just get into the apartment tour.
I can't forget you. I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting for you.
Alright, so starting here, we have the door to get into my apartment. And then from there, let's just go into the kitchen. So yeah, I've just got my kitchen here, nothing too fancy. We've just got, my coffee maker that I don't use. These are face masks that I have to get to my friend, but haven't seen her in a bit. Then on the other side, we've got just my fridge, and then on the counter, I've got some candles that I made. A little fragrance thing, can't remember what they're called, reed diffuser I think it is. And then yeah, we've got my dishwasher and my sink and all that exciting stuff. Totally not exciting, I'm aware. I think the kitchen's probably the least exciting part of this apartment. Back to the door, we've got my pantry here, and then moving on to the living room, I've just got this table beside my couch, and then I've got the couch and these three gorgeous art prints. I actually bought the digital files from an Etsy store, so I'll have the name of the store on the screen because I absolutely love them. So yeah, my couch is just from IKEA. Then I've got my coffee table here and my fur rug, which I basically just made myself. And then these flowers, which were a birthday present from one of my best friends, which was amazing. And then moving over, we have my desk area. So we've got this lamp here, some of the cat dishes, and then my desk. So on my desk I've got my vision board, my other camera, my laptop. The frame with all the words in it is basically a journal entry from the future. It's a manifestation thing. And I've got my whiteboard, my storage thing for all of the documents, and my window, which just looks out to some trees, which I absolutely love. And then moving over, we've got the guinea pig cage. Hey Ella. Hey. Oh yes. Right, and actually at the top we have Miss Lily here. And then there's Ella. And then in the house we've got Zoe. Then to the right of the cage we've got my storage unit. And on there we have my TV, my Cricut cutting machine, and my printer. Also some just stuffies that I've got up there, as well as a picture of my dog at my parents'. I really miss her. To the right of that we just have a laundry hamper which is full of hay for the guinea pigs. Then over here we've got my table, which does actually have two chairs. One of them's just in my room right now. And then this print of a taxi, which I got from IKEA. I'm planning on switching this out, but this is what I have for now. Moving on, we've got my bathroom, which, nothing too exciting. Hi, there's me. Okay, yeah, so in here, just sink, everything you have in a bathroom, my cute shower curtain, and yeah, my pink towels and everything. Then over here we have my little storage closet, which I have actually really organized right now. I know it might look like kind of a mess, but it's a really organized mess. Anyway, that is not the prettiest part of the apartment, so we're not gonna spend too much time in there. Moving on to my room. So here we have my room, and we've also got Penny sleeping on the bed. Anyway, if you're interested in seeing a more in-depth look at my room, I actually have a room tour up. But yeah, basically I've just got this shelf with some books and movies and stuff, and then also just some storage. And we've got my bed here. Any idea what my favorite color is? Bet you can't guess. Hey Penny. Hello. Then on the other side of the bed, we just have my nightstand, which has quite a bit of stuff on it at the moment. And then we've got the cat tree, and the window, and the cat shelf, which they love sitting on and looking out the window. Then over here, I've got my sewing area, which, as you can see, is where the other dining chair is currently living. And then we have my dresser with some pictures of pets that are unfortunately gone. This here is Bella, and then the guinea pig is Tajma. Then I've got my little book of answers, my makeup brushes, and yeah, my makeup mirror and the Alex drawers, which I store a lot of my makeup and hair stuff in. Anyway, I think that was it for my apartment tour. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I would love to have you back, and I'm sure you'd love to see more of my content. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye guys!
I know this distance makes it hard for us.